This wide-neck PIGEON PPSU baby bottle is made from a durable, lightweight plastic that withstands repeated sterilizing without yellowing or cracking, making it a long-lasting option for daily use. The bottle uses a soft, flexible silicone nipple shape to encourage a deep latch and natural tongue movement, which helps babies move between breast and bottle with minimal fuss. An integrated venting design aims to reduce swallowed air, so many parents find it helps cut down on gassiness and colic-like discomfort. The broad opening and smoothly contoured body make the bottle straightforward to fill, easy to scrub by hand, and comfortable to hold during longer feeds. Graduation markings are clear and easy to read, helping caregivers measure out formula or expressed milk accurately even during late-night feedings. With different nipple sizes available as babies grow, this set can adapt from early months through later stages, reducing the need to constantly switch to new bottles.